time. Oh, how long will I have to wait? How long have we been too late? Now I wish that we never met, so that I don't have to try to forget you. Drifting away, I am drifting away. Wasted youth, wasted love. Yeah. Was filled with potential, but I wasted. I am wasted on the thought of you. Don't know how to cut me loose, cut me loose. I can't get you out of my mind. You're still with me all the time. Oh, how long will I have to wait? How long have we been too late? Now I wish that we never met, so that I don't have to try to forget you. How long will I have to wait? How long have we been too late? Now I wish that we never met, so that I don't have to try to forget you. Drifting away. Now I'm drifting I can't get rid of this feeling. I try to leave it all behind. I can't get rid of it. Now my emotions running wild. Although I try to let you go, 'cause I always known you are poison. But there's something about your way, makes me want just one more day with your darling. Oh, you got my heart right on my chest. Make me believe you know the best. So on the bridge I stand, about to end the fight, but then I stop and thought I'll fight it one more night. So in your fire I burn, I'm blinded by the light. I may never return, but I'll fight it one more night, fight it one more night. Oh, just fight it one more night. I can't get rid of her, darling. She always finds a way to sneak back in. I can't get rid of her. I'm just a prisoner like the wind. Oh, she got my heart right on my chest, making me believe she knows the best. So on the bridge I stand,
Bye guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.